welcome back to my channel. Who doesn't like pizza? When it is cheese burst, it's heaven. It's awesome, isn't it guys? So if you have any query like how to make it, how to bake it without oven, and which kind of cheese I should go for, so in this video I'm gonna clear all the confusion of yours. So today I have come up with the recipe of cheese burst pizza, which is full of cheese, and there would be 2 layers of cheese and 2 layers of crust with the spicy and tangy sauce with your favorite vegetables. I'm gonna show you both the ways of baking it, in the kadai and in the oven. Let's start our pizza challenge. So do watch this video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Let's make our pizza dough first. So for that I have half a cup of warm water, adding 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon dry active yeast. Mix everything nicely and keep it aside for 10 minutes while getting activated. Adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add salt a pinch. Mix flour with yeast mixture and knead it until everything comes together. Add 1 teaspoon butter to smoothen it out. I prefer kneading on countertop, so sprinkle some flour on your clean countertop and knead this dough using stretch and fold method for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Look at our dough, this is just perfect and smooth. For fermentation, keep it aside for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Let's make filler cheese. For that I have 1/4 cup of milk in a heating pan. Make a corn flour and water mixture with half teaspoon corn flour and little water. Now add this mixture into the boiling milk. Stir it continuously and add 1 cup grated processed cheese. Mix everything together properly. And when you get the right consistency, turn off the flame and transfer it into the bowl. Let it cool down to the room temperature, then keep it in the fridge. So as you all know, I'm baking it in the kadai first. So for that I have done some jugaad. So here I have a wok. I filled it with the salt and kept a wire rack there. Turn on the gas and cover it with the lid to create more heat inside. Actually wok has thin bottom, so I kept tawa under the wok. By the way, I am baking in the kadai for the very first time, so I am little bit nervous. So it's been more than 30 minutes and our dough has rised so beautifully and nicely. I'm trying to remove the trapped air inside the dough and knead it for a while. Divide the dough into 2 portions. Ratio would be 2:1. Bigger one for the bottom crust and another one for top. I took the smaller one and roll it out uniformly and cut this according to the size of your pizza plate in which we are going to bake our pizza, and poke it with the help of fork. Now roast it on tawa from both the sides. Now take the bigger portion and spread this dough evenly on your pizza plate like the way I am doing. Now apply filler cheese that we prepared before on our pizza and place some mozzarella cheese slices too. And place the roasted chapati on it and seal it nicely the way I am doing. Now apply sauce. Be generous with the sauce guys, and grated mozzarella and processed cheese. Add some toppings, vegetables like peppers, tomatoes, olives, onions, anything. finishing with final layer of grated cheese, pizza seasoning and chili flakes. and bake it into the preheated pan for 45 minutes to 60 minutes. So I'm keeping our pizza into the pan. Hey, our pizza is ready. So mine was ready in 50 minutes. Let's cut a slice of pizza and see. It is amazingly delicious and mouth-watering. Perfectly baked, and you can feel the taste of filler cheese and cheese slices. It is melting in my mouth and just amazing. Let's make another pizza in the oven. Prepare your base and apply filler cheese or cheese spread on it and place cheese slices like we did earlier. Seal it with another roasted chapati and apply lot of sauce and finish it with lot of vegetables and seasoning. And of course our cheese, mozzarella and processed cheese. This time I added cherry tomatoes as well and bake it in the preheated oven for 30 to 45 minutes at 180 degrees. So here it goes in the oven. Voila! Our cheese burst pizza is ready to eat. It is perfectly baked, vegetables are charred nicely, and oh my god, our cheese is oozing out. I was really dying to eat, but I had to give few shots of my irresistible dish. I'm really happy to see a perfect pizza like Domino's. So enjoy the recipe. Bye bye. Take care. Please try this recipe at your home and satisfy your cravings. And share your experiences with us. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.